Okay, YouTubers, it's February 3rd, 2011, South Chicagoland, University Park. Here's the road after the storm. This is all they got cleared out. They still got to do the edges, as you can tell. There was no school today. Hopefully they go back tomorrow. Now let's take a view of everything I've done by hand. I think I need a snowblower. It's 3 o'clock and I've been doing this since yesterday around 8 in the morning. Look at the view. I think we got about 20 inches, maybe 19. And as you can tell, the neighbors haven't done their sidewalks yet. So the nice little school kids can't get down the street. But look at the piles. Go back by the side of the house where I put the trash cans. Yes, I had to dig the trash cans out today. It was trash day. Now we'll go. The other stuff I plow because no one else is nice enough to do it. My little pathway so the kids can hurry to the bus. And we have a public bus stop, but the kids use it as the school bus stop. So I made sure that my baby didn't have to get his feet all dirty. And then of course, I have a little chihuahua, so I had to make sure he didn't sink in the snow, or she. So that's all the snow we got. Hopefully we don't get no more this week, which I think we're supposed to get a little. And I'm 6'3", so your view doesn't look like we got as much snow, but we got a bunch. So, on to my next video. Peace out.